Hi guys! So I'm super excited to show you the train kit. I finished it last night, so it's uploaded now. It's in the shop. It's up for $3, and I figure I'll go through it backwards. Normally I start at the beginning and then I show the ephemera at the end, but I figure, well, let's show it from the end and then work our way to the beginning. So here is ephemera, right? We have some like tickets and advertisements and stuff. Here's another one in black and white instead of the color. We have some brochures for like vintage brochures for train rides, right, to different places. I put this together because I really wanted to do some altered paper clips and different things cutting out these like railroad crossing. So I put together like a page of that. And I included that in the kit. And then here are the railroad tracks. I did a page of black and white ones and a page of colored ones. And then here are the first page of tickets. So I made these ones. I scanned in like the one that I made, you know, and then I did it all digital on the actual ticket. So there are 3 pages of tickets. Here's the first one. Here's the second page of train tickets. Dum da dum. And then here is the third page of train tickets. So there's 3 pages of train tickets, and then here are the pages. So here's a blank page, right? So I included a blank page and then a blank page with writing lines on it. I didn't cut off my borders, so don't mind. Some of them printed kind of my printer feeder is kind of messed up, so anyway, here's another kind of plain page. I love this one, kind of more industrial. Here is a clock page with clocks. Here is a page with collaged tickets, right? Here is a journal page with like large advertisements for train rides and such. Another page with large images of the, advertisements for train rides. Here we have a sepia, more neutral colored. Most of the kit is in this color, in this neutral. But here are old vintage trains. Here it is in black and white. Here is a collage of the brochures. Here is a collage of some vintage train photos. Another collage of some advertisements, train advertisements. And this one is like the faded, distressed version of that collage. Again, don't mind my borders, my printer, that's my printer. Here we go. Here's this journal page with the clock, and here's this journal page with the tunnel. I love this page. And then this one, I thought this would make a great like front cover for like a signature or whatever. So most of these I will be using in my train kit and my train journal. But yeah, I apologize for my printer not feeding the paper correctly. But there that is. Here is this big on a full page. I loved this. This is so cool. And then here is another journal page with like a map and some trains. And then here is the last page, right? So it's all listed in the shop. It's 29 pages. So I'll have the link in the description below and everything. Anyway, thank you. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.